Hey everyone, and welcome to today's episode here on A to Z Home and Garden. Here on our channel, we like to share and discuss great methods, tools, and resources for making your home an epic space, both inside and out. Please consider subscribing to our channel and click that notification bell so that you make sure to stay up to date on all of the current content that we'll be releasing going forward. We'll also always do our best to make sure that we post information in the show notes to make sure that you have any links or other resources that might be relevant to the topics that were covered. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a pretty simple resource that I think is really powerful in the right applications, and that's a simple skill saw guide. If you're using a skill saw and you need to make some perfectly uniform cuts, then this handy little tool that comes pretty standard on just about every skill saw on the market today will help you do this quickly and easily. We'll show you how we use it, give you some examples of how uniform those cuts might be when you're done, and give you some other ideas along the way. So let's get right to the video, and we'll see you in the comment section when it's all over.
All right, so this morning's cool little tip. There's never enough safety, apparently. We had to rip some sheets of, this stuff. Got some pretty thick plywood here. So we're ripping them into these pieces. And what we'll do is we'll lay that on the roof so that we have a place to screw the metal sheeting down to, and also, more importantly for us this morning, a way to keep him from falling off the roof because it's pretty steep. So we have a pretty cool tool that helps us do this, and I wanted to show you really quick what that was. Okay, so you got your standard skill saw there, but this piece right here, this is the magic. This is a skill saw guide, and so what you do is you attach this to your skill saw, and then it allows you to set a distance, which we checked with the tape measure on the bottom, so that we got the actual distance from the blade to the edge, from the blade to the edge over there. And then you clamp it down on the top where you could see, and so then you get this perfect space every single time that you run the saw. If you're wondering, like, how consistent are those cuts? I don't know, you tell me. Pretty doggone consistent. They are all basically the exact same size, which they should be, right? I mean, that's what that thing is for. That edge grabs the same edge all of the time, and the blade can't move. The saw can't move. So as long as you keep the metal guide contacting the edge of the sheeting, it will be the exact same width every single time.
If you enjoyed today's video, then by all means, please come over and visit us at our website, where we have articles, videos, and all sorts of relevant information organized in a neat and easy fashion for you to find the exact projects, resources, and ideas that you need to help turn your home into an epic space. That's A to Z homeandgarden.com, where we have your home covered from A to Z.